In this video, I'll show you an interesting way that we've used integration to drive adoption of our CRM system while also capturing more data about our business development activities without requiring any additional data entry by our users. At Pinnacle, we use the software that our clients use, and in this demo, I'll be showing our implementation of Intapp's Deal Cloud CRM product, which you'll now know as Intapp's OnePlace for Marketing CRM solution. As part of our implementation, we integrated heavily with our on-premise Elite 3E environment, and that included integrating client, matter, and other relevant data from Elite into the Intapp cloud. We recently extended that integration to include time entry data, and specifically for time recorded against non-billable business development matters. And we did this for a couple of reasons. The first was so that anyone using the CRM system would see and be aware of any and all business development activity that happened against any clients that they were interested in. And the second reason was as a way to drive further usage of the CRM system. And I'll talk more about that in a minute. But let me show you how this works. So it all starts with time entry. And so I'll flip over to our Intapp Time8 application. And I did a video on how we use Time8 internally previously, and it showed how you can really quickly enter time against clients and matters. And in this case here, you see I've recorded an hour against this client, One North Interactive, and it was against a non-billable business development matter. And so what happens is anytime someone will record time against one of these non-billable business development matters, the integration would pick that up and integrate that time entry into our Deal Cloud CRM system. And where you would see that is when viewing the client. So in this case, One North Interactive. When you're looking at the activity with that client, you'll see that record appear, that time entry record appear here on the calendar. If I click on that, you'll see the details. So this was a time entry. It was entered by me. It happened on this date, and you see all of the time entry details from the 3E environment, so the phase, task, and activity codes, as well as the time that was entered. And that can be relevant because it might tell you the scope of the business development activity. And lastly, the narrative. So the narrative sort of shows up here in the meeting notes. And so what this allows us to do from a business development standpoint is we're now all aware that business development activity is happening against the clients that we care about. And to further drive adoption of the system, what happens is that anytime this non-billable business development activity time entries are recorded and integrated with the CRM system then will subsequently fire off a task to our client relationship owner, and that'll show up in their email. So they'll see that some activity happened related to their client, and they can quickly click on a link in their email and basically come right to this page to see, what that activity was.